Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to fix transaction was declined on Google Play Store. So let's start. First, let's go to our Play Store and then to our profile in the right corner. Just click there and then just select payment and subscription. You have to select the payment method that you have and check if this is available. And if not, you can select one of the payment methods that Google give you, like PayPal, Mercado Pago, Redeem, etc. It depends on your country, of course, but you can select one of them. If this is don't help you, just again let's back and go to the right corner and then let's scroll down and let's go to settings and then go to about. Just check here if there is an update for your Play Store. So you have to check it, and if there is an update, you have to click there and update your app. Probably with this you can fix it. And also, well, you have to check the general if there is automatic apps archive active. So now let's back again, and now you can check here if go to manage apps and device again, and here you can check the storage of your app. If your app has a little storage, probably that is causing the problem, so you have to check that. Then if your storage is full, then let's go back and go to settings in your phone. Then let's scroll down and let's go to apps. Here on apps, just manage apps. We have to wait until all the apps appears here, so just wait a little bit until it appears while you will looking for Play Store. So just wait a little bit until this appears. So now let's find Google Play Store here, and then just click on clear all data and just clear all data for your app. With this, all the data will restore on your Google Play Store. So probably with these tips your problem will be solved. So I hope this video works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.